Revitalize your skin with homemade face masks. Title: Revitalize your skin with homemade face masks. Introduction. Beautiful, glowing skin not only enhances our appearance but also boosts our confidence. Our skin is constantly exposed to environmental pollutants, stress, and harsh chemicals, which can take a toll on its health and appearance. While there are countless skincare products available on the market, many of them contain harsh chemicals that can be detrimental to our skin in the long run. Fortunately, the solution lies in our kitchen pantry. Homemade face masks, made with natural ingredients, can revitalize our skin, addressing various concerns such as dullness, acne, dryness, and aging. In th. Is article, we will explore the benefits of homemade face masks and provide simple yet effective recipes for you to try at home. Benefits of homemade face masks. 1. Natural ingredients. One of the greatest advantages of homemade face masks is the use of natural ingredients. Unlike store-bought products, homemade masks avoid chemicals, preservatives, and synthetic fragrances, reducing the risk of skin irritation and allergic reactions. Natural ingredients, like fruits, vegetables, honey, and yogurt, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help nourish the skin and combat signs of aging. 2. Cost-effective. Another advantage of homemade face masks is their affordability. With just a few easily accessible ingredients, you can create effective masks that can help you save a considerable amount of money, compared to expensive store-bought alternatives. Plus, you can customize your masks according to your skin type and concerns, making them even more beneficial. 3. Customization. Homemade face masks offer endless possibilities for customization. Everyone's skin is unique, and by creating your own masks, you can tailor them to your specific needs. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there are ingredients and recipes that can address your concerns, resulting in healthier and more vibrant skin. Simple and effective homemade face masks. Now, let's explore some simple yet effective homemade face mask recipes that you can try at home. 1. Brightening banana mask. Bananas are not only a delicious and nutritious fruit but also an excellent ingredient for brightening the skin. Mash half a ripe banana and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply this mask to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This mask will help fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and rejuvenate dull-looking skin. 2. Soothing oatmeal mask. If you're dealing with dry, sensitive, or irritated skin, an oatmeal mask can provide much-needed relief. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and a teaspoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Oatmeal is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe and calm irritated skin, while yogurt moisturizes and hydrates. 3. Clarifying turmeric mask. Turmeric, a powerful spice, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour and enough water to create a pâte. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. This mask can help reduce acne, fade scars, and brighten the complexion. 4. Hydrating Avocado Mask. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit that is widely used in homemade face masks for its moisturizing properties. Simply mash half of a ripe avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. This mask will deeply hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it supple and revitalized. 5. Exfoliating Coffee Scrub. Coffee grounds make an excellent natural exfoliant for the skin, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, radiant complexion. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of brown sugar. Gently massage the scrub onto your face in circular motions for a few minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This scrub will leave your skin smooth, soft, and rejuvenated. 6. Anti-aging Green Tea Mask. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help fight signs of aging and improve the overall health of your skin. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Mix 2 tablespoons of brewed green tea with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This mask will help tighten and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 7. Calming Aloe Vera Gel Mask. Aloe vera gel is well known for its soothing and healing properties, making it ideal for calming irritated or sunburned skin. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply the gel directly to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This mask will replenish moisture, reduce redness, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. 8. Energizing Strawberry Mask. Strawberries are not only delicious but also beneficial for your skin. Mash 4 ripe strawberries and mix them with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply the mask to your face.